Hi, my name is Jake and this is PCBros, and we're going to give you a little tour of the lobby and tell you a little bit more about what I do on the day-to-day basis here. So if you want to come on in with me. Hey guys, so like I said, my name's Jake. If you ever come into local PCBros or give us a call or shoot us an email, it's going to be me or our manager that you're talking to. So I want to tell you a little bit more about what I do. For the most part, it's going to be phone calls, emails, and Instagram DMs. If anybody has especially an inquiry about a repair where they want some work done on their computer, or if it's one of ours and they're still covered by our 1-year warranty that we offer, people can reach out to us here on our support page where we can reach back out to them, try to help them remotely, and if not, worst case scenario, they can ship it back to us and we fix any problem they have free of charge. So another thing I do around here is I'll list the PCs. It'll be me that does things like, prepping them, making sure they're all set to be put out. As you can see, we have a lot of PCs already put out here on the showroom. The only thing I really have to do is make sure I, kind of log it, put it in the file system. The main thing that you're gonna notice is that I'll do a little expo marker and put some specs on there with a price right there. See, if you ever come in store, it'll be, filled out with the price and the specs on the PC and whatnot. So whenever I put a PC out, I always want to make sure that I put them in some kind of order. And so the main thing I always realize is when somebody's trying to buy a PC, the first thing they're going to look at is the price, right? So this is our most high-end one on the right that we have right there, $1,900. But as we descend, a lot of our demographic is also going to be people who are trying to game on a budget, or even people just trying to get a office computer to do some work. All the way down to this Alienware here that you might see a ToastyBros video on. And this one is sold, as you can see, and we have our dirt cheap options, some of our staple builds up there. As well as PCs, we also have a lot of used peripherals and monitors and whatnot that we sell here in store. And so if you come this way with me, you can see obviously we have our selection of monitors there. We have this used little office guy here, and then a bunch of little knickknacks and other stuff that we sell, gaming related stuff obviously. And something else worth mentioning is that we also have financing that we do through Affirm and Shopify and PayPal. And so if you ever, want a higher end PC, can't quite afford it at the time, you go through one of those companies and you can do a financing plan where you can pay monthly for it. So anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by, and hopefully we can see you sometime here in store in PCBros. And don't forget, anytime you come to PCBros and get a PC, if you take a picture with your new PC, you can get $10 off your new order. You can see obviously we got Jackson there, looking cute as always. And so if you ever stop by, hopefully it's gonna be me you're seeing, and we're gonna have a great time selling some PCs, other stuff, doing repairs, whatever needs doing. We're the perfect place to come. So come check us out in Louisville, Kentucky, and we hope to see you soon.